All right, today Teacher Sunny is here again to explain this core topic to everyone. Let's look at the question. Fill in the same number. That is to say, each of these squares represents the same number. So how do we fill in this same number? We need to figure out exactly what number this square is representing. All right, first let's take a look. If this square represents the same number, what does that mean? It means that we can factor this number out. So how do we factor it out? We can turn it into, how should I put it, like this. 111 times 1 square, right? So that is actually the same as having 3 squares, then plus 1 more square, and that equals 805 in total. So this is actually a very crucial point. If every position has the same number, then in fact, we can factor it out like this to simplify the calculation process. So what should we do next? First, let's take a look. 111 squares plus 4 squares. So how many squares is that in total? That's just 111 added to 4, which equals 100. 11 plus 4, right? Well, last year it was 805, so that's 115 in total. The total number of squares is actually 805. Now, doesn't that make things much simpler to understand? That means each square is 805 divided by 115, right? Which equals 7, so we can fill that in. 777 plus 7 times 4 equals 805. Have you learned it? So please give the teacher a like and a follow, and use your little hands to share this with beginners so more people can come together to learn better mathematical thinking.